Call center agents and sales representatives often hear the question, "What do you want?" It may sound rude, but it's usually just a reaction to an unexpected call. The real challenge is staying calm and turning that reaction into a good conversation. That's why it's important to know that to talk the customer the right away, from the start of the call to the end. In this guide, you will learn 4 easy tips and handle calls and connect better people. Number 1, avoid making customer angry from the start. To reduce difficult calls, sales team should target all this. By using these strategies, sales team can minimize anger, engage with qualified prospect, and improve call outcomes. Example, the sales team target people who are most likely to buy. They make sure their call ID is clear to customer with answer. If a call is missed, they call back. They also send a message or text or email first to build trust. The system direct call to the right agent. Agents use script to keep conversation smooth and relevant. Acting fast to contact leads help close small sale.
Number 2, stick to the facts. When a customer is unsure or skeptical, it's best to stick to the facts instead of arguing. Provide clear information to keep the conversation going. Example, if a customer is confused, mention past interactions like, "I see you look into this before." Highlight key points like no upfront cost and saving if they're unsure. A good script helps reps address concerns and keep the conversation focused and productive.
Stay positive in sales calls. Don't act frustrated if the person you're talking to is upset. Stay calm, positive, and also helpful. Being friendly and professional can make the conversation more helpful. For example, if a prospect says, "I'm not interested," respond with, "I understand and I appreciate your time. Can I help with any question?" This keeps the conversation calm and also positive.
Number 4 is listen first. So in customer service, it is very important to really listen so you can understand why the customer is upset and frustrated. So let them explain their concerns without interrupting them. And this shows you care and it helps the situation calm. And also when you listen closely, you can better understand what the customer needs and you can give them the right solution. So this not only makes the customer feel valued, but it can also lead for more sales and better service. In conclusion, the outcome of these strategies is stronger customer relationship, reduce frustration, increase trust and loyalty, higher sales and conversion rate, smooth conversation, and improve overall team performance and success. And additionally, these strategies foster a more positive customer experiences, and it will also boost employees' morale, improve customer retention, and it create a more efficient and productive work environment. So ultimately, leading to long-term business growth and higher satisfaction for both customer and the team.